Cyprus, Malta, Madeira, ship owner. We have now this frigate, a Spanish ship now in Cyprus today, and now Colón is going to defend the Cyprus waters and the skies. But this really Cyprus flag, will it open the eyes instead of looking to the east about these missiles? Well, would Cyprus look to the west and think, well, Spain sent Cristobal Colón frigate to defend our land, so are we going to look west and think about, how about America? Is it closer to Europe, to the Cyprus flag, the Malta flag, the Madeira flag, to many other European flags? How about this? Cuba, Venezuela, Panama, El Salvador, Honduras, Guatemala, Ecuador, Colombia, Peru, Argentina, Brazil, all the American countries' endorsements could we really look closer to the east for missiles, yes, and these kind of bombs and problems. But could we get solutions from the west? Now, let's look to the west. Well, this is a huge opportunity because we are not going to be able to fly ASEAN crew to Europe. But are we going to be able to take this opportunity, look to the west and think, well, if Spain did provide us this frigate to defend us, Cristobal Colón, think about Cristobal Colón. He found America because he was closer. Does the maritime strategic sector in Europe and European flags need to look closer to America? Well, Cristobal Colón did find America first. Now, 700 years later, can Cyprus look to America? Can Madeira? Can Malta look to America? Can Italy? Can Spain? Because still even Panama and Venezuela not accepted. And can Holland? Yeah, Holland did look for Panama, but we have still 10 more countries, 12 more countries. Are you going to look Deutsch, French, Finnish, Swedish? Are you going to look Greeks to America? Well, if you look to the east, yes, look at the problems. But if you want solutions, 700 years later, is Europe going to look to America for solutions? Well, we hope so, because it is a possibility to invest closer, invest in our families. We all have American families, yes, most of us. Gracias, adiós.